Hello everybody, it's Tristovsky here, and today we're going to review the notifier FSP-851 addressable smoke detector on a BS200-LF low frequency sounder base. Let's take a look at the device. It's a very interesting look. Sounder base we all know and love. And here's the device itself. Model number. Whatnot kind of got torn. Focus. Kind of got torn by the base itself, but this little tab right here tears the working on it, but it's, as you can see, it's addressable, and the device is number 86 when it was installed. It was removed for some reason, and I got a hold of it. You don't see very many notifier systems where I live. I did go out of town and visit this one fire station. The fire station had a notifier system. And they had these smoke detectors on conventional bases. So, these are quite popular. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, record, subscribe, and have a nice day.